Follow these steps to replace your flex control board in your Model 3605 and Model 3606 vending machines. First, open the door and make sure your machine is powered off. Take a picture of all the connections so you will know where to reconnect the wires and harnesses. Next, unplug everything from the control board. To remove the board from the standoffs, use pliers to squeeze the standoff pins together so you can push the board away from the standoffs. The board is attached to 4 standoffs it needs to be disconnected from in order to be removed. Place the new control board behind the wires and onto the standoffs and push it on until you hear a click. Now reattach the connections. Refer to the picture you took earlier to know where each connection goes. Here's the power connector up here. It's very important these 3 wires are placed in the correct spot. They are for the DEX, touchscreen, and elevator. Here is the MDB and door switch connectors. Next, turn the machine on. Enter service mode. If the DEX, touchscreen, and elevator wires are not properly connected to the control board, you will see the touchscreen remain on this screen. Do a motor count. Set the correct prices and make sure the correct motors are paired.